Good morning guys and welcome back to my channel. It is 10 a.m. I just got done getting ready. My roommate slash best friend and my grandma are both meeting me at my dad's house and we are going to go school supplies slash dorm room shopping today. And I wanted to bring you guys along so you can see the whole process of it, and I thought it would just be a fun little video. I go back to school, move back into my dorm in about 3 weeks, maybe 2. So I want to just get ahead on all my shopping and stuff because I work a lot. So between hanging out with my family, my friends, my boyfriend, and work, I really don't have that much time to do a lot of stuff. So I have off this morning. Of course I work tonight, but this morning I wanted to take the opportunity of having off to go to Target, and then I think we're going to TJ Maxx, and then we're gonna go to lunch probably at Panera because my grandma loves eating there and she's coming with us. So yeah, I thought I would just take you along with me today and it's gonna be a good time. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like the video if you like it, and welcome to my dorm slash school supplies shopping vlog. Like, these are the ones that I want, I think. Which ones are you getting?
These ones.
It's a vlog, so make sure you get like footage of me like grabbing the stuff that
Oh,
we
yeah?
need, you know?
Yeah.
So, our pens and staplers. Do you need any more Post-it notes?
I think I have some. I think I'm good.
Okay, then I'll...
Do you?
No, I'm gonna skip it too, because I don't think I used that many last year anyway.
No.
Do you need any paper clips or like push pins or anything?
I got these ones already.
I think
but-
I have...
Well, we might need thumbtacks for the corkboard.
Oh yeah, should we do like
Should we
the
find
rose gold
cute
ones?
Those ones are cute. Otherwise, last year, they have some other ones back there.
Ones. Should we just take these until we find other ones?
Yeah.
I don't think we need 2. I think we just can get 1 for each of us. Right?
100 count? Yeah, will be good.
I do need...
A folder.
Well, I wish I would have been more prepared because I wrote all of my subjects on the folders. So...
Well, you only need 1 folder, probably.
Oh wait, I mean notebooks. I need notebooks, not folders. I'm good on folders, but I do need them.
Okay. Oh, I got more letters for our letterboard the other time I was here.
Thank you.
Some will have Y's. Can I turn this off now?
Do you guys remember when you were little and you'd come to Target or Walmart and there'd be the school list and you'd find your elementary school and then go through the lists? Me and my grandma did that.
But they usually do have a pocket, don't they, 5-star?
Yeah, they do.
More than
Oh, I
one.
need to make sure I don't put the white one.
And they can grab the yellow.
Oh.
Did you get your folder there?
I'm going to. Mine are on the other side because they're all out of the ones I get over here.
You
Guys,
don't want
bye.
5-star?
No, because I don't use the folders inside of the notebooks. I use a separate folder altogether.
When I was growing up, this is all we had. The composition book. Everybody had to have a composition book.
Alright, we're done getting the school supplies and we got some things in beauty that I will show you because I'm probably going to do a haul. I want to look at like the hanging storage because I feel like I have too many clothes that I bring and I want to put like a hanging thing in it so that it doesn't take up a lot of space and I can put like my shoes in it and my sweatshirts and stuff.
They have one like a closet rack extender, so like you put it and then you have a whole nother rack underneath. Have you ever seen that? You should get that, and then you have the shoe rack already for your shoes.
For how many clothes that I bring, I probably would need that. I'm just gonna find that and then we're done at Target, and then depending on how hungry we are, we might eat first, or otherwise we're gonna go to Walmart first or TJ Maxx. We added Ulta into the mix. We're going to Ulta now too. All right guys, we found it.
The closet rack extender. So you just hang this onto your closet rack and then it adds a whole nother thing.
Well, this is what I was looking at getting because then I can put my sweatshirts and shoes and stuff in it so that I have more room. So I think I'm gonna get that. We're gonna try these on right now. I have some black ripped jeans, this like tan colored jogger thingy that kind of reminds me of the Brandy Melville ones, but it's cheaper, and then just a plain black sweatshirt. So let's try these
Kind of like those. Do you like these?
I don't know if I really like these. I feel like
I do, but I feel like you're wearing the wrong shirt with it, so you don't know.
I know, but do you think I would need a different like size?
No, I would get that size. What other size do you get? Bigger or smaller?
Bigger.
I kind of like those.
She just cracked her phone, but it's not even that bad. Mine is way worse.
Well, the one you're talking about seems pretty bad.
Mine was really bad.
Next stop is Ulta, but I know a lot of beauty stores get mad if you film in there, so I'm not even gonna try and film, and I'll just show you what I got after. So, see you in a few. Now we're going to TJ Maxx just to look for like stuff for our dorm room. I like that one better.
The notes one?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. That would be
Hey. No, 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 no.
Hey guys, next day, as usual. Behind me, I have some school supplies and a little bit of Ulta, and I also bought some clothes and some other things from TJ Maxx. So we have a nice big haul for you guys today. I guess we can just start with the school supplies first, since that is what you guys are here for and that is what the title of this video is. So first thing I picked up was some notebooks. I am taking 5 classes this first semester, so I picked up 5 different notebooks. I'm taking accounting, 2 math classes, a geography class, and a business class. So I have my 5 notebooks for those 5 classes. And then I bought some dry erase markers because my roommate and I have a dry erase board in our room, and we just like to draw on it. And like if I'm leaving and I won't be back till 4, I'll put like be back at 4 on it so she knows where we are. But we only had a black colored marker and we wanted to spice it up with some more colorful ones, so got these. Got some Kleenex for when winter rolls around and everybody gets the flu. I picked up some pens. I used to get this kind all the time, and then for some reason I stopped getting them and I got this other brand of pens, but I kind of want to go back to my OG ones, so I got a bunch of these ones. And I'm pretty sure I talked about it in my last video, but I want to start organizing my notebooks with my notes with colorful pens instead of like highlighting everything, because then it bleeds through and then like all your notes get really messy. So I just got some Papermate pens and I got them in different colors so that I can organize my notebooks and stuff. I got this cute little stapler for our dorm room because we write a lot of essays, especially when you're a business major. Believe it or not, staples are not provided to you, so got a little cute one for my desk. Command strips because they're very necessary when in a dorm room, since you literally can't put anything into the walls, so everything we hang up is with command strips. More command strips, more command strips. To be honest, I only got these because they were 99 cents, but it's nice having these little mechanical pencils just so like I can throw them away once they're done. I guess I could keep it and reuse it, but honestly once these like erasers go out, then I just throw them away because they're cheap. So I got some colorful ones of those, but I also have the nice pencils with like the grippers on them, and they're just like thicker, and they come in a pack of 3, but yet they're still like $10. Yeah, I have those as well. I just bought some lead refills for it so that I can keep filling it up because I'm pretty sure I'm all out of lead for them. Then, like you saw in the vlog, we got some push pins for our cork boards because we have cork boards on the back of our desks, and I always hang up. I print out pictures, which I have to go print out pictures that I took this summer, but I print out pictures with me, my friends, my family, and then I put them on the cork board, but we wanted like cute ones this year, so we got some rose gold ones. And then honestly, I think that was it for school supplies because I didn't really need that much in addition to what I already have, because basically the main thing you need in college is your laptop and your backpack, and I have each of those. So that was all the school supply stuff. If I had anything else, I'm pretty sure my roommate bought the rest. If it's like for our dorm, I think she bought a couple of things and then she just has them for our dorm room. So moving on to a bunch of random stuff I got, like toiletries. I got some all-purpose cleaner and it says that it smells like the ocean, so that's fun. I got cotton rounds. I usually use cotton balls. Don't really know why I picked up these, but I got these and I have to go back for cotton balls because I forgot about those. I got some dry deodorant spray, toothpaste, deodorant, makeup wipes, a mini mouthwash, face scrub, I really recommend this kind, shavers. And now for the fun stuff. I picked up some Vital Protein collagen beauty powder because I've heard a lot about this stuff and I've heard a lot about collagen and I always have really wanted to get it. I got the strawberry and lemon one, but it says that it's supposed to be for your skin, hair, nails, and joint support, and it's supposed to have a lot of vitamins and stuff in it, so we will try it out and see if we like it. And then I got this really cute necklace. It's very dainty. It's literally just a butterfly in the middle and it's silver. And then I already have a lot of gold hoops, but none like of the thick, you know, trendy gold hoops that are going on right now, and they had some at Target for literally $6, so I picked up a couple sizes of those. I do want to get my second piercing soon because I just have my first one that I got when I was like 12. I want to get my second one, just a little scared because I don't like needles. That was everything that I got at Target, and now we're going to go into Ulta. I got the Mario Badescu drying lotion that everybody has. I got this lash serum. This isn't the package that it came in. I threw away the package already, so I can't really show you that. But it's by L'Oreal Paris. I think that's how you say it. It's just like a lash boost serum, and it's supposed to show improvement in 4 weeks. I mean, my eyelashes are already pretty long, but I want them to be a little bit thicker, so hopefully this helps with that. I just got some chapstick. It's the Nivea Milk and Honey one, and I love it a lot. Favorite chapstick I think I've ever bought so far. And then last but not least, I got one of my favorite face masks. It's by the Formula 1006, but it looks like this. All the packages look like this, and it is my favorite face masks. This one is the Skin Brightening Peel Mask with papaya and citrus, but they have like 10 other ones, so definitely recommend these. Non-spons. Guys, I lied. I actually did get a couple more things from Target, so I'm just gonna show those really quick. As you saw in the vlog, I got this hanging storage thing. Looks like this. I'm gonna put some sweatshirts and shoes in here since I bring too many clothes to my dorm and I can't fit everything. So hopefully this will help organize everything in my closet. And then I got the joggers that I tried on in the dressing room that I said I didn't know if I liked because I tried on a bigger size and they did not fit me at all. So I decided that this size was a good size and it's cheaper for what you get at Brandy Melville, and it was an impulse buy, so got these. And then I also got the plain black sweatshirt that is kind of cropped because I need more basic pieces. Now, last but not least, TJ Maxx. I got this athletic sweatshirt that is kind of like see-through material in the back, and then it has like the see-through material on the arms as well, but it's just like a plum colored athletic jacket. I don't really have any athletic jackets, so thought I would pick that up. And then I also got a couple sports bras. This color literally matches the jacket, so I just wear this underneath it, and then the other one is just black. And then last but not least, to end this whole haul, I got this really cute belt, and then it has like the little pouch for it. I think it's by Steve Madden. It is by Steve Madden, and it's just black and gold. I thought it would be nice for like going out because then I can just literally put my phone in here and not have to worry about me dropping it or it being taken or anything like that. So got this and very happy about it because I didn't know that they had these at TJ Maxx. So that is my haul. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed this whole video. I just can't wait to make college videos again. I have so many video ideas that I can't wait to share with you guys. And yeah, make sure you follow me on Instagram, like the video if you liked it, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Even if the sun goes down on you, you gotta keep that shine on top, yeah. On top, yeah.